This is a story about a woodworker and his dog. We're gonna make a toy box. High five? Yes! She's always here, under my feet, waiting for a pet between cuts. I love her more than I ever expected to. We brought Oona home. She was very sick and it was very hard. The kind of hard that sticks with you. But she pulled through, and ever since, she's been my shadow in the shop. I build a lot of things for people I care about, and lately, she's had toys scattered all over the floor in the shop. So I figured it was time to build something for her. A toy box. Oona, check these out. Find by Tool sent us these. They're to make dominoes. It's perfect timing because I ran out of dominoes. So we can pick what works for the toy box. The folks over at Find by Tools sent me these new router bits to test out to make dominoes. And I thought this would be a perfect project for it. I'm not usually one to talk much about tools, but it's been nice trying something new on a build that actually means something to me. Oona challenges me constantly. She wants my attention when I'm trying to focus, but maybe that's the point. Woodworking teaches patience, and so does she. If you've been enjoying what you're watching, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us out. We can get you more treats.
Work? Oona Bear, do you want to go to work? You want to go to work?
Some days, it's not about getting the project done. It's about remembering why I'm doing it all. This build didn't go perfectly, and most don't. I used to fight that though. Measure it 3 more times and overthink every cut. But lately, I've been learning to let go a little, trust my process. Same with her. You can't control everything. You just show up, care for it, and keep trying.
box. Do I put treats in it? And then we can put the collars in it for walks. And we can put your ball in it.
It's just a toy box, but it's also something I built just for her. And maybe a reminder of what she built for me. A little more patience, a little more softness. That's the thing about dogs. They change you quietly while you're trying to keep the shop clean. I hope you enjoyed our video. We'll see you in the next one.